What was it again?
It was like, say for example, if I want to write down the equation of any line, so it's gonna be y equals to mx plus
Plus b.
Right. What was your m?
Divided by 2.
Not divided by 2. It's just m.
Oh no, that's the quadratic formula.
Yeah, that was for quadratic. For mx plus b, what do we call this m as? What is this m?
Wait, so mx plus b. So m isn't like n the m is the, I forgot what it's called.
Try to recall it. It starts with s and ends with e. Something like slope.
The slope.
Yeah, the slope, right. So your m is your slope. And what was this b?
And wasn't my b the y?
Yeah, the y what?
Y-intercept.
Yes, it was your intercept. Okay, let's say I have two x's, the x-axis and the y-axis. This is my y, this is my x. It has an origin. Mark the points 1, 2, 3, 4. Here I have 1, 2, 3. Okay, now I have a line that is starting from 2 and it is going like this. What is the intercept of this line?
Right, I can't see. Okay, I see it. The intercept would be 2.
Yes, the intercept will be 2. So write down b equals to 2. And now just by looking at it, at this one, I want to write down the slope for this line. How will I write down my slope? Do you remember what was the formula for calculating the slope?
Calculating slope. But wasn't it like the formula of line?
What do you mean? Let's say I want to write down the formula for slope. How will I write it down? Remember slope equals to rise over run?
Oh yeah, I remember.
Rise over run. What was your rise? Your rise
so
was...
the rise is like is your y?
Yeah, change in your y. Rise was your...
Over change in your
y.
X.
And run was your change in your x, right?
Yeah.
Okay, let's pick any point. So I have one point over here, which is 0, 2. I have this point, 0, 2. Let's find another point. So let's mark this point. Now this point is 2, 3, right?
Yeah.
Now let's calculate. Let's see how much is my rise and run. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to make a triangle. I'm going to join this point here and join this point here. Okay, now I have a perfect triangle. Now, how much is my change in y?
Your change in y is 2.
Not 2.
No, that's 3. That's 3.
No. This point is 2, 3, and this one is 0, 2. This is your x. This is your y. This is your x1, y1. This is your x2, y2. How much is change in y? How much is it? We are going from 2 to the 3. So how much is the change in y?
It's 1.
Yeah, so it's 1. And how much is the change in your x? We are going from 0 to 2. 0 to 2. How much is the change in your x?
2.
Yeah, so how much is your slope?
So it's 1/2.
Yeah, so the slope, your m is 1/2. Now your slope is 1/2. Your intercept is 2. So what will be the equation of your line? What will be the equation for this pink line over here? Or let me make it yellow line.
That would be 1/2 plus 2.
1/2 x plus 2. Y equals to 1/2 x plus 2. So equation of this line is gonna be y equals to 1/2 x plus